Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Linux Mint for beginners. We'll start by understanding what Linux Mint is and why it's a fantastic choice for new users. It's a free, open-source operating system that offers a very user-friendly experience, making the transition from other systems quite smooth. You'll discover its stability and security benefits, providing a reliable computing environment for your daily tasks. Next, let's get Linux Mint installed on your computer. First, download the ISO file from the official website, then create a bootable USB drive using a tool like Etcher. Boot your computer from this USB, and the intuitive installer will guide you through the process. You'll select your language, keyboard layout, and set up your user account, getting you ready for your first login. Once installed, you'll be greeted by the Cinnamon desktop environment, which is designed to feel familiar and easy to navigate. The panel at the bottom provides quick access to your favorite applications and system settings. The menu button is your gateway to all installed software, and the Nemo File Manager helps you organize your documents and media efficiently. It's all very straightforward. Finally, let's explore how to manage your software and keep your system updated. The Software Manager is an excellent tool for easily installing new applications, from productivity suites to games. Remember to regularly update your system for the best security and performance. You'll find popular applications like Firefox for browsing and LibreOffice for all your document needs pre-installed and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.